Welcome to BUILDEXPO Africa, the premier international trade event for the building and construction industry.
We are seeing that it's developing market.
Lots of potential. It's very vibrant.
Things are going well. Tanzanian market is very good. This exhibition is giving also more awareness.
Experience a massive convergence of industry leaders with exhibitors from over 30 countries. Tanzania investment targets $15 billion in annual foreign direct investment, drawing in more than 6,100 visitors from 12 countries.
We had a lot of inquiries, really much more than what we were expecting.
Join the innovators. Build Expo Africa. The foundation of tomorrow is being built here, in the heart of Tanzania.